Okay, Model X owners, the new aero kits are selling great. Side skirts, front and rear diffusers, and now we have our emblems in. These are our first emblems for the refreshed Model X. They're dry molded carbon fiber, glossy and matte finish. Let's get in the installation and show you how these go on. Okay, preparation. So whether or not you have a decal on your tee like we have installed, or you just have a plain chrome tee, everything is going to be the same with regards to preparation and installation. So we're going to give you some alcohol and adhesive promoter, and then from there we're going to prep the surface. So again, rubbing alcohol is going to help take all the grease and dirt off, road debris, because remember, if your X has been traveling down the road, it's got all kinds of dirt and contaminants on the front. So with the alcohol packets we give you, use them and wipe the tee off really good. So again, everything on the front of the tee is going to be where the double-sided tape is going to adhere and bond. So you want to make sure you do that very good. Then we're going to give you adhesive promoter. This is a 94 primer. Let that dry, which takes seconds. And then we're going to rub this on the front of the tee. And then it's really going to bond. So just take the applique pad and rub it all around the flat surfaces. And that's going to match up perfect. And then we let that dry. And of course we have our dry molded tees, overlays. And you're going to have to pick the tape off. It's not easy. Okay? The tape liner has to be removed, and you have to leave the clear 3M tape on the inside of the tee cap. Once you get it started on one corner, it's good. So now installation is very easy. I'm going to put the tee and hook it. I'm going to hook it on over the top like this and push down. And that's it. So we're hooked over the top. We're pushing it, and it sticks like glue. And again, this will work perfect whether or not you're on a chrome tee or a painted tee like we have painted. The most difficult is getting this started. The double-sided tape and the surface area is very small, so the tension is not great. So it's very, very difficult. So we're working on a new process where we're going to promote this to the carbon, and that way it'll stick down. But watch how this works. Just line it up on both ends, push it straight on. You can open the hood if you want, and you can see this tee comes off. If you want to unscrew it, you can, but there's really no need. Just put it on like this, and now we want to activate the double-sided tape, which is a pressure-sensitive adhesive, clear acrylic type. So we want to put lots of pressure on here. It's really going to make it bond so it won't come off. Now you can tape it down if you're going to go through a car wash or something while this tape bonds. It takes 72 hours to fully cure. Once it's done, it looks amazing. So there's a little close-up. You can see how beautiful the fitment is, the way it fits right around the stock emblem. And it's in stock now at RPM Tesla. We only have glossy in stock right now. We're making a lot of matte ones. But it sure looks nice whether or not you have chrome here or you've painted it. Again, we have decals as well for the Model S and X front and rear tees. Thanks again for watching. It's RPM Tesla. And of course, when you combine this with our front inlay, it just gives it an amazing, beautiful accent to your front lip. Again, everything's dry molded. All of our front splittered spoilers as well. But look at the beautiful, real dry molded carbon fiber.